Hey guys, welcome back. Mr. AP here once again. So in the last video tutorial, we added the labels for the prices and the buttons. And as you can see, I successfully added those components. And now in this tutorial video, I'm gonna add another component, but this time it's gonna be in this panel called order information panel. So this is where the information about the order is displayed. So in order for us to do that, we need to use another component which is called JTextArea. So this JTextArea displays text. That's why the name says text area, because you can print or display text, append text to it. Yeah. So to start with, let's click JTextArea and drop it here in this panel. So this is where the text about the order is gonna be displayed. Okay, so I'm gonna make it wider and taller. There you go. So again, make sure that the properties are correct. So make sure it's globally declared. So according to this tooltip, it's a local variable. So click this button to make it global. And I'm gonna change the name to text area display. Let's call it order info. I think that's enough. Text area order info. And what else? I'm gonna change the font. I want everything in there to be bold, and also like bigger, like 18. We'll see that later. Okay, and I think that's it for now for this text area. So again, we just added a JTextArea to the panel where the order information is displayed. Yeah. And the last but not least, I'm gonna add a button to the last panel that we have left here, and that is a button. Where is the button? Here's the JButton. I'm gonna add it here in the bottom, so drop it there. And again, make sure that it is globally declared, so click on it because it's still locally declared. I'm gonna name my button to btn order now. Okay, I guess that's the name of the button if I'm not mistaken. Yep, that's the name of the button. I'm gonna change the text to order now. I think I'm gonna use all capital letters for that. Order now. I think that's much better. I'm gonna make it bold. And a little bit bigger. Let me try 20. Let me see how 20 looks like. Uh-oh, that's too big. I'm gonna make it like, I'm gonna use 18. Let me see how good font size 18 is. It's still big, so maybe 15. This is the last attempt. Okay, let's see how. Okay, so I'm gonna make it wider instead. There you go. What else shall we change? I think we need to change the background and the foreground colors. So I'm gonna start with the foreground. It's gonna be white, and the background is gonna be black. Where is the background? Here is the background. It's gonna be black. There you go. Again, it did not take effect, so we need to open or expand the properties. We need to open the advanced properties. Make sure that the where is the border painted is set to false. Make sure the box is not checked. And also somewhere down here, make sure that the opaque is set to true. There you go. Now it's black, it's white on black. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we are going to connect all these three panels so they would work all together. Okay, see you. Bye bye.